Motorola has indeed made a comeback by introducing entry-level Android smartphones. However, it didn't take long for the company to offer more premium options through its Edge line, featuring a more stylish design. Now, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is targeting the premium mid-range segment, bringing a more reliable camera setup and AI capabilities. As its name suggests, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is a higher-end option than the Edge 60 Fusion, which debuted a few weeks ago. Priced at $429, this smartphone can be considered a competitor to the Reno 14 5G, which was also recently launched this week. Both devices rely on cameras, AI, and stylish designs. The country head of Motorola stated that the company remains committed to meeting consumer needs, and the launch of the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is a way to fulfill that commitment. This smartphone truly embodies the edge of intelligence, marking an important step in our mission to deliver transformative and high-impact technology that is seamlessly integrated into daily life and enhances it. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro is priced at $453, down from the regular price of $471. This special price is only available during the initial sales period, which will begin on July 24th. Only one variant of the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is available for sale, featuring 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. However, it is available in 3 color options, the result of a collaboration with Pantone. The 3 colors are Pantone Shadow, Pantone Dazzling Blue, and Pantone Sparkling Grape. In other words, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro is only available in vibrant color schemes. During the initial sales period, Motorola is also offering additional bonuses such as the Premium Ultimate Package from Vision Plus, up to 60 GB of data from XL, and up to $30 off hotel stays from Mr. Aladdin. With a significant price difference from the Fusion version, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro's specifications bring several improvements, particularly in terms of hardware. In terms of performance, for example, it features the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme chip, which can be considered on par with the Reno 14 5G. Another improved aspect is the battery capacity, reaching 6,000 mAh. The Motorola Edge 60 Pro's battery capacity is made more efficient thanks to the use of silicon-carbon technology. And despite being more efficient, its charging technology is also faster, featuring 90W turbocharge. Another appealing aspect lies in the camera department, where the Motorola Edge 60 Pro's camera setup is now more comprehensive. While the Edge 60 Fusion series comes with a Sony LYT-700 OIS main sensor and an ultra-wide sensor that supports autofocus, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro camera is superior thanks to its dedicated telephoto sensor. This sensor has a resolution of 10 MP, provides 3x optical zoom, and 50x AI super zoom. Additionally, it is accompanied by a dedicated light sensor to enhance photo and video quality. Other highlights include a 6.7-inch 1.5K quad-curved POLD display and military-grade IP69 certification. Motorola also highlights Moto AI, offering a new smartphone option designed to boost productivity, allowing users to perform various functions via voice commands. Motorola has also collaborated with Perplexity, Microsoft, and Google. As a result, users of the Motorola Edge 60 Pro can enjoy Perplexity Pro services for 3 months, integrate Copilot into Moto AI, and access Gemini Advanced 2 TB of storage for 3 months.